Yeah, hello fans, this is Jeromekeys music. So most of you have been asking me of this particular sound, this voice I use. No, you can use this to solo a live song. So most of you have been asking me of this voice, so I want to show you the voice today. So the keyboard I'm using is PSR SX 600. So this particular voice, if you are looking for it on PSR SX 600, you won't find it. Okay, you won't find it. It's not on this keyboard. But I move it from another keyboard to this keyboard. I don't know if you can find it on SS 700 and SS 900, but on this keyboard, you will not find it. So the name of the voice is just Wow Guitar. But I changed the name to Jeromekeys Wow Guitar. You can see. Then on my right too, I use Jazz Artist Guitar. The Jazz Artist Guitar, you can find it on this keyboard. This is my Jazz Artist Guitar. You can see my Jazz Artist Guitar on my right too. Why mine? Jeromekeys Wow Guitar. So if you need the voice, you can inbox me. But you can't find it, so this is how I set it here. You can see the A wow is the right one is very full, and my reverb is on 40, my chorus is on 10. Okay, and you on your DSP. If you off this DSP, this is how it will sound. So you have to on your DSP to enable it sound well. So you can use it to play your iLive music. You can use it to play So there is another voice you can use to create this kind of voice. Okay, there is another voice you can use. Also, the voice is not on this keyboard. There was another voice you can use, but on that voice you need to control the wow effect with this your reverb this thing here, your live control. You have to control it with your live control. Just one.